Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get a 50% discount for Elite skin on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legends account, and if you already log in, you can click the new events over here. Okay, and this is the first time or the surprise box events. Okay, and this is the first time 50% discount, okay, for the elite and epic skins. And for this elite skins, you need only 125 diamond to get the elite skins, and then you need to 225 for the epic skins. Okay, and this is a very good skin that you have to get if you spin or draw this event. Okay, for elite, and then this is the epic skin like this. Okay, and then here is the skin collector also, guys. If you like Badang, Sylvana, Yisunsin, Granger, Parsa, Valir, Leslie, you can try this for first time 50% discount on Mobile Legends events. Okay, so here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.